Today I'm gonna show you how to make full list repeating group in bubble.io. Let's get started. First we will make a repeating group. First we have to take a repeating group from here, and type of content should be user. Do a search for users. And layout should be row, and parent group layout should be column, and alignment should be centered. And then I will take a image. After that I will align it in center. And the text. And then I have to change the layout. After that you have to just click on appearance. You can see the set fixed number of rows and set fixed number of columns here. Just click on uncheck here, and after that you can see the changes in our page, as you can see. So I'm gonna change the height of 370 pixels, and width of a column is around 50 pixels. As you can see, the height adjusts automatically according to its width and height. And I am also gonna show all items immediately. Just click on this section. After that, just link this part. Click here, current cell user's photo, and then current cell user's name. Let's preview it. As you can see, the old data here as full list. Thank you everyone. Thank you for watching this video.